One of the best features about CloudTruth is the ability to compare templates, to compare environments. So right here, I have a deplopyment.yaml, and as you can see, it's set up to work with CloudTruth. I have my parameters here, and then I have these parameters inside of values in CloudTruth, which we'll take a look at in just a second. So inside of CloudTruth, notice here how I have this template here now available. And if I go to development, if I go to QA, if I go to staging, all these values are the same, and that's not really what we want. We want to be able to keep our configurations dry, so we don't want to have to set up 3 templates, deplopyment.yamls, for 3 different environments. Instead, we just want to update environments. So I'm going to click on my app name here, and notice here how the default is Nginx, but in development, I'm going to edit the value, and I'm going to say Nginx dev. Prod, I'm going to say Nginx prod. And then I'm going to go back to my parameters here, and I'm going to go to replicas. Now for the dev environment, I'm going to say 1 replica is fine. For the production environment, I'm going to say 4 replicas. And then for staging, I'm going to say 3 replicas. So now let me go ahead and go back to my templates, and I'm going to go to deployment here. Now notice again, we have the default. For example, we have 3 replicas, the name, etc. But let me click on development. Well, now our environment changes a little bit. So we have our name of nginx-dev, and then we have 1 replica. If I go to production, I have nginx prod and 4 replicas. If I go to staging, it's the same name because we didn't change that, but now we have 3 replicas. So to keep your code configuration dry, to not have to have a million different manifests that do the same thing, and instead just have 1 manifest just like this, you can have 1 template, and then in CloudTruth parameters, you can update the parameter values based on environment.